Hey you guys, I'm Taylor. Welcome back to Aim to Slay. Join me for a special little vlog. We're going behind the scenes of today's photo shoot. As you can see, I have my most naturalist glam on to start, and well, I'll explain the hair later. I'll see you in the car and then we'll head to location. All right, I'm in the car. As always, I'm running just a teeny tiny bit late, only like a couple minutes, but that's fine. We're getting there. So this is kind of like a top secret location, so I can't tell you where I'm going, but it's dope. I shot here for the waterfall shoot I did last year with the same photographer. My profile picture, I mean, come on, y'all. So we're gonna do it a little differently. My hair is straight. All right, let's go. Okay, we're on location. Beautiful day, beautiful setting. I think I'm a little bit early. I might have beat Mike here. That's totally okay. Wait, how funny would it be if this is him? I don't know. Anyway, I'll check back in once we're getting dressed. Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Yeah, these are gonna be amazing.
Absolutely. Oh, the sun came out, all right. Absolutely amazing.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Yep.
Okay. So far, so good.
Oh, no. You don't have to go on the fence, just kind of near it.
Wait, I think like on the other side of it.
No, just near it.
Which is why I went to get my shoes. I was like, how do I get back there without shoes on? Okay, I'm dumb. Okay. Whew. This thing is... What's this string? Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so we just finished look 1. Now we're gonna head over to a slightly different location for looks 2 through 4. I'm loving this soft glam today. So fun. Tell me your thoughts. See you shortly. All right, I think you're recording. I hope you can see me. I gotta find the keys. We're moving to location 2. Probably take my phone off the dashboard so it stops reflecting. And also pay attention. Oh no, there's no parking spot. Oh no, we gotta figure this out. Be back. Oh, so I'm on this one?
Nope, we're on that one.
Next location. I did it.
Give me a quick pose before you go. All right, got it.
Too bad my camera's in the frame.
Easy enough to remove. I love it.
Okay.
Perfect.
Fighting for my life in the jungle. Okay, so we just finished the second look, which is this. I'm gonna touch up my makeup really quickly and then we're moving into the third look. And by touch up my makeup, I mean I'm just gonna take it from this soft glam to like kind of a smoky, sultry vibe. Gonna grab Mirame. And this is my smoky eye hack. We start with the silver. And I'm gonna put that over my lid shade. Now I'm gonna grab the black and just smoke out the brown I already have. Yeah, I think we can do more. There's so many bugs, which I hate. I'm just gonna take some of the black under the eye. And I actually just want to bring a little of the silver under on the inner corner at the bottom, like here. Yeah. There is a part of me that thinks I need to add a bigger lash, but I don't know if I'm gonna be able to actually do that like in the wood. I'm not that good. Bugs are biting me. I'm gonna switch to a red lip. This is the ColourPop lip stain. All right, let's see if that works. All right, the bugs are killing me. Okay, and then I'm gonna switch my earrings out because I'm doing kind of like a, more of like a Baywatch thing. We'll see what happens. Oh god, I'm still recording. I didn't realize that. Okay, big hoops. It's humid and I'm getting sweaty, so the straight hair is already weaving, as you can see. All right, I'm not sure this is gonna still look good, but we're gonna try our best. Hoping a little hairspray will help kind of prevent some of the frizz. I feel like I need liner. Yeah, that helped. Okay, I'm going to change my outfit and I'll check back in. Is it giving Baywatch? I think it is. Okay, outfit 3, we're gonna hike up the waterfall carefully to get to our next location. Mike's already up there. He very graciously left me some time to get changed and fix my makeup. And I don't think I'm gonna record all of this because I'm likely gonna hurt myself. But look at this beautiful location. Are my shoes out of the way over here?
Oh yeah, you're totally perfect.
Thank God my ankles work. Alright, that's a wrap on Baywatch Barbie. Last outfit. Let's go! It's not as quick as I thought. Okay, do we want to start here or more in the pool itself?
I can put you on there. We can do kind of like a ephemeral type thing. And then we're going in the pool. Cool. I'm going up where you are right now. Yeah, yeah. It feels like it's like way deeper.
Yeah.
But
I don't know why I'm like,
I'm
there's a
recording
dinosaur!
I'm recording this for posterity.
So am I! I'm like convinced that like this is Jurassic Park and something is gonna get me. Which is so irrational, but okay, where am I?
Just dip on in.
Oh my god. This is counterintuitive. They just acclimate and then I'll just go under and we'll do it and it'll be fine. Like come out of the water, you see it? Okay.
Whatever.
Where is the floor?
Right? Right? Phenomenal.
So cool.
Phenomenal. If you want to go there, I'm going to shoot from up there,
Okay.
down, and I think that's cool.
Okay. Nobody fall.
Froggy! Look, a frog!
Frog?
Look, my ADD kicking in.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
It is cute.
Okay, if he can do it, I can do it.
Yeah, while you're there, absolutely. Yeah, let's do it. Ooh. Yes. Yes.
Yes, queen.
Slay.
Okay, did we do it?
We did it.
I'm getting out of the water now.
Oh my god, you are not going to believe how good this is.
Oh, the frog is still there.
He's chilling.
Do you need a hand?
No, I just want to give you 5. Amazing.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Amazing.
Oh, I'm just trying to stay low, not fall.
Yeah. Yeah, that was probably the wrong time to give you 5. Sorry.
No, it's okay. I was like, we're helping hands.
I was all jazzed up.
I'm also jazzed. It's too cold to be there.
Well, we gotta walk back, so
We're gonna warm up.
we'll warm up on the walk.
Okay, we've officially wrapped look 4. Here's Mike. Woo! The hair is curly again.
And the amazing, talented Taylor.
Our amazing co-star, this waterfall.
And the froggy.
And the frog. Hold on, we gotta get to the frog.
There he is.
Da-da-da-da!
Mr. Hops.
But now we have to hike all the way back down there so that we can leave. We're gonna make it work. I'll check back in later. Okay, we're officially back to the car. I'm freezing for being in the water, but y'all, these photos are amazing. You have no idea. Cannot wait to show you. You know they'll be there soon, so thanks for joining me. Till next time, bye.